happen. We see am with our korokoro eye, and na our work to make you sabi am. Sharp, sharp tori on top Christ radio and television. Anywhere where they happen across Obodo Naija and Obodo Oyinbo, we dey here to serve you hot like Naija jollof. 12 o'clock for afternoon and 4 p.m. agogo na time for the tori. No miss am o, because on top Christ radio and television, your matter na we own.
Good afternoon, Abuja and the rest of the world. You see on top Christ Radio and TV with your girl Princess. 12 o'clock, don't sit down for our Google. And right now, this na sharp Tori on top Christ Radio and TV. My name na Princess Aniana, and this na the top Tories them where they hot at this hour. Federal Capital Territory Administration, that na Abuja government, don't drop announcement, say they won't build new national headquarters for the Independent National Electoral Commission. Yes, so as today here now for on top of the matter, the Federal Capital Territory Administration, FCTA, don't announce, say they plan to build new national headquarters for the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. According by the talk person of the FCT Minister, Larry Olayinka, this building go there from Maitama side of Abuja. They expect Oga Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu to officially cut ribbon to start the building next week. Still inside the Tori this afternoon, the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, Oga Ola Olukoyede, don't talk, say, all these Yahoo boys, they cause serious shame for Nigeria all over the world. As they yarn, when he gather to the people them to follow them gist for Abuja today, Olukoyede could begin to lament. Say, what's in this Yahoo boys they do? It don't cause people now for Obodo Oyinbo to they carry eye of shame. They look Nigeria people. And from Abuja, make we jump to Jos, where we say two parties them, Michael Auta and Gabriel Sunday, don't chop 12 months in prison as punishment on top accusation of say them thief clothes where worth nearly 500,000 naira. Now the area court na knock them this judgment after the two both of them say yes, then guilty. But the judge can say, they can pay 50,000 naira each as a fine, and at the same time make them give compensation of 200,000 naira each to the complainant, or make them go sit down 1 year inside prison. And moving to Benue State, Governor Hyacinth Alia of Benue don't come out say, now only 3 local government areas inside the state still they under attack. He yarn the son when they follow to people that they yarn from top television. He say in government have reduced the number of local government where they inside the Kitakata from 17 to that 3 based on some kind of security involved where they involve and some kind engage where they engage with community people them to take yarn. The governor they insist say things are getting better in Benue State, even with all the recent killings will happen for the states. And from there, make we jump to Lagos, where something we no sweet belle happen after one SUV driver go past one way. Now there he take go jam head to head with the person where they ride keke, and na so he kill the keke man throw away. Lagos State Traffic Management Authority, what they call LASMA, don't confirm this one inside paper where they carry give to the people. According by the yarn, the SUV driver Ijapa immediately committed that offense, but authorities said they are doing everything what they do to make sure say they package the man. And moving to politics, so where we say, Oga of police, Kayode Egbetokun, don't come out now to bring back that order. Where they take invite Sanusi Bature Dakin Tofa, where be the talk person of Kano State Governor Abba Yusuf, say make this Tofa come to police force headquarters for Abuja. They are questioning Bature on top of the accusation, say you do criminal spoil name, and say also na plan all that annoying planning, where they take suspend APC National Chairman Abdullah Iganduje for ward level inside our Kintofa for Kano State. All this thing when I talk like this happen for 2024, and they say it still be a very important thing we happen for politics inside Kano. And from there like that, we could come out for Naija, travel outside country, where we say people where they do searching for all those scatter of that aeroplane where it crash for inside Ahmedabad. Say they don't recover the cockpit voice recorder. This device where they see for all the scatter of the aeroplane, now it go give some important information. We go help people where they torchlight to understand what really caused that aeroplane to fall. Why? Authorities already say they have already see the flight data recorder before this one. All this one and many more now will carry on give you on top sharp Tori for inside Naija and the rest of the world right now. To take a bit more information, just join us again around 4 o'clock for evening for our next bulletin. But until then, continue to deal with us on top Christ Radio and TV, and then follow us on top all of our social media handles at Christ Radio TV. My name remains Princess Anyana. Enjoy the rest of your day.